Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. I want to share this DIY herbal infused hair butter. I made this hair butter with so many amazing herbs and oils, and I want to do a 3-month hair journey where I focus on my hair health and use more of herbal remedies. So I'm going to show you how I make this. This herbal butter is awesome for your scalp, strengthening your hair and promoting hair growth. I've been on my natural hair journey for almost a year. I cut off all my hair at the end of July last year. So I'm starting my hair journey, and come along with me. Hopefully you join me on this 3-month hair journey using all these herbal remedies. Please check the description box for everything I used in this recipe. And if this is your first time watching, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos. So to make my herbal hair butter, I used only dried herbs for my butter. A lot of these herbs you can find online on Amazon, Etsy. So I started off by using my crock pot to do my infusion. So I'm going to add my lavender, and then I'm also using some dried hibiscus flowers. You can also do your infusion on your stove top or using a cold process method. So I'm just going to mix everything thoroughly. Please don't feel you have to use every single herb that I used. I collect herbs, so I have a lot of them. So just use what you have available to you. After 3 hours, I set my mixture to cool completely, and then I strained the herbs using a cheesecloth. When you're straining your herbs, you want to make sure you strain it really well. You don't want any of the powder or loose herbs to get into your final oil mixture. To make my hair butter, I'm using shea butter and coconut oil. You can use any combination that you like. So I'm going to start off by melting this down. I'm just going to put this in my pot, and I'm going to pour some hot water and just let it melt completely. I'm placing my mixture in the fridge just to let everything cool down completely and also harden up a bit. So I forgot about my mixture in the fridge, and it had hardened up much more than I typically like. So I just mixed it up a little bit more, and then I started whipping up the mixture using my handheld mixer. So if you're wanting a lighter and fluffier consistency, then you're just going to whip a little bit more until you get that consistency. And if you're still needing help with your DIYs, your recipes, your formulations, my next online class is July 25th, and I'll have the registration link in the description box below. So this is what my consistency is looking like. I typically like my hair butters to be a little bit thicker than my body butters, but once again, the consistency that you want is completely up to you. You can adjust your butter to oil ratio until you get exactly what you're looking for, but so far this is what I have, and I love the consistency of this butter. So I'm just going to package this up. I used my glass jars, and I honestly do not remember what size it is. I think one is 12 ounces and the other one is 10 ounces. So I just went on and I packaged this up, and this has a shelf life of 9 to 12 months. So you would use this hair butter like any other hair butter. You can use this for your twist out, to seal in moisture for your hair. So I really hope you try it out. These are such amazing ingredients, the herbs. So I hope you join me in my 3-month hair journey. Let me know how your hair butter turns out. Reach out to me in the comments with any questions you have, and also please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like this video, because that really helps me out. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.